Welcome back, everyone, to Sublimation Made Simple with MGQS. I'm Kris here at my girlfriend's quilt shop, and today we're making puzzles. Yes, you know those personalized puzzles that you used to not think was ever possible, that you could actually do it from home? I mean, you'd have to send a photograph off in the mail to some big company. They would turn it around and send it back to you, and it cost a fortune. Not so much with the sublimation printer, guys, because we're going to have a blast learning how to do this. All you need, a sublimation blank. That's it. They're available everywhere. And of course, your heat resistant tape. Now, for this video, I'm actually going to go into Artspira. It's an app that is done through Brother, and I want to show you how easy it is to use and how you can actually send the picture from Artspira directly to your printer and have all kinds of fun things with it. So, are you ready? Let's go ahead and take a look at my phone here. I'm going to pull down the menu. I want to find my Artspira app. Now, this is a free app from Brother. Anyone can download this for absolutely free. And now, boy, there's so many fun things in here. This is going to take you down a rabbit hole, my friends. But I digress. Let's keep to what this tutorial is all about. I'm going to go ahead and hit New and Design Editor. All right, so I can choose what size paper. Of course, I'm using the 8.5 by 11, so letter is what it's going to be, and hit Done. Now it brings this grid onto my screen, and I'm going to find the image of our little Daisy right here in my pictures, and there we go. There's Daisy. All right, at this point, I can make the picture smaller, bigger if I want to, depending on what I'm working on. But this puzzle happens to be an 8 by 10 puzzle. So do you see how right now it's at 5, almost 5.5 by 7? Of course, I want to make her bigger, right? And if I'm trying to figure out what size she is, oh yeah, we're in plenty of space right here. Okay. So I feel good about that. Daisy's going to cover the entire puzzle. And now all I have to do is hit OK and Done. Do I want to save? Oh, I'm okay. I don't have to save her right now. Look at this, my friends. Daisy is already in mirror image. That's right. With Artspira, you don't have to worry about trying to remember to put it in mirror image. It automatically does it for you. So it's hooked up to my printer. All I have to do is touch Print. And let's watch the magic happen. All right, here we go, Miss Daisy. Oh, what a sweet dog. You know, something I want to also remind you is when you see it print out onto the paper, it is not as vibrant as it will be once it's heated to your project, okay? Sometimes people get a little nervous. They see it and they go, oh, it's a very light color. The colors are a little different. Don't you worry one bit. The magic is where the heat happens. Okay, so again, what I'm going to do here, like I did with the coaster, is I want to make sure that it's going to be in the place that I want it to be. Sometimes when we do it the other way, it's really hard to tell. All right, but I'm seeing that I'm about centered along those edges, and I'll go ahead and place a piece of tape on each side. Now let's go ahead and open up our tray, and I'm going to flip this over so that my picture is on top. Let's get that centered right there. Okay, and then I also want to make sure to use a protective sheet over top of that. Okay, my settings told me that I needed to have it at 375 for 60 seconds, so I've already gone ahead and preheated this baby. And let's go ahead and put it down. It's done. Let's take a look. Okay, we are going to pull this out. Again, you know the drill. By now, we're going to just do a few seconds of cool off before we lift it up. And let's see what happened. It's almost like Christmas. I feel like it's Christmas when I take a look at these things. I'm going to peek just a little bit underneath. Make sure everything looks good. Oh my goodness. You all are not going to believe the color on this. The color is absolutely incredible. So vibrant. Ah, look at that. Oh my goodness. Wow. Unbelievable. Can you believe this? That is a gorgeous puzzle now for Daisy's sweet owner. Oh, look at that. How fun. And how easy was that to do? My friends, it took less than a minute to heat up. It took about a minute to print out. I mean, it doesn't get any easier than this. Sublimation is fun. This is a real puzzle. Oh my goodness, look how the color goes all the way to the edges. Put that in a cute little box or bag and you have the cutest gift to give. Making your own personalized puzzle, it really couldn't get any easier. That's why we're having so much fun with that Brother SP1 sublimation printer. See you in the next video.